See this, guys, by just doing proofreading, I'm getting $10 to $37 per day. Sorry, per hour. You can see this, not per day, per hour. You can see this. You should effect minimum work. You can see this, $500 per month, and you can earn up to 75 to 225 per day. How people are actually earning from doing translation jobs, transcription jobs, paid surveys. You can see this, affiliate marketing jobs. If you want to teach some students, you can also do it and can earn up to $1,500 per month. See this, guys, actually they are doing a great job on this website. People are actually earning a great amount. If you want to know, just follow along this video step by step, and I'll show you how you yourself can earn a good amount of money by just following some simple steps. Hello guys, what's up? And in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money online by just doing simple typing job. Yes guys, and I'll show you step by step. Just watch along this video how you can grab this opportunity, because it's absolutely free of cost, guys. You do not have to spend a penny from your pocket, and this site will actually pay you a good amount based upon the earning is concerned. Okay, you just need to type, okay, per word you are earning. Okay, so how you can earn, you can see this, guys. There are hundreds and hundreds of people who are actually earning from this website. You can see that freelance blogging jobs, you can see $225 per day they are earning. Okay, so how you can earn this much amount? Okay, I'll teach you. You can see this, guys, online teaching job. This way, this website will offer you not only teaching job, you can see affiliate marketing job, content writing job, online typing job, which we are more focusing on. You can see this, transcription jobs. Okay, you can see this, language translation jobs, and online paid survey job. Okay, and in this website I'll show you two tools that you can use in order to earn money online. Okay, first for typing and then for translation and transcribing. Okay, so what you just need to do here is to just come up in this website and just click on this current opening. Okay, just click on this current opening, and this is a screen that appears in front of you. You can see this, guys, estimated per day earning as per you can see this online typing job, $60 to $120 per day. Okay, so if you want 100% income, just follow along this video, because there are some tactics that we need to use. Okay, just click on this online typing job. Okay, so it's a whole process, guys, in order to reach to the application form. Okay, you can see this, guys, how they are actually paying. You can see this pay up to $1,350 to $27,000 as a part-time income you can generate. And this is a whole structure that initially what is a pay rate, you can see this, and by and by you can see this 15 pages per day if you type. Okay, you are getting paid $45. Okay, so it depends upon how to increase your typing speed as well. I just show you step by step how you yourself can earn that much amount of money. Okay, so just come up here. You can see this, guys, just come up down, and you can see this, there is an apply option. Okay, apply now. You just need to click on this apply now. Okay, and one more thing I just need to show you, guys. You can see this. So whenever you come up in this, you can see this, select an application form. So just click on this select an application form. Okay, now what you need to do is to just come up here, and there are two application forms. One is online and another is offline. So I just need you to recommend to give the online application, which will give you higher chance to be selected. Okay, so you can see this. Okay, now what you need to do, you just need to click on this, fill in your details. Okay, I know, guys, this is a whole process. Okay, now you are landed up on this form. Okay, it's a long process. That is why I already tell you that please watch along this video. Okay, just click on this accept, give your first name, last name. Okay, I've given it. Okay, and give your mail ID. Okay, guys, so give your phone number as well. Okay, I just give my phone number, my country, whatever country you are residing in, guys, worldwide, this job you can do it. Okay, just type down your country name on the comment section so that there is I can hear that what is my audience, okay, from where the audience is. So you can see this, guys, this is a preferred job title. So for this preferred job title, what you need to type: professional typer. Okay, professional typing artist. Okay, you just need to type this professional typing artist and what time you are available. So guys, initially if you want job, you just need to type in all day. Okay, just click on this all day, so that, guys, based upon the customer requirement, you will be free. Okay, so initially you need to do it on Saturdays, Sundays. You just take the full day job, okay, and then you can reduce the time as per you are doing the full time. Okay, so you just need to select this your earnings. Okay, you can select PayPal, Payoneer, wire transfer. Okay, and there are other direct deposits as well. So I just need to recommend you to give a PayPal account. Okay, whatever mail ID you have given, okay, this should be exactly same. Okay, now you need to type in your current status. Okay, what you are doing. Okay, you are a student, you are a retired, full-time, part-time, freelancer, self-employed or unemployed. So I just want to give you that I'm a full-time employee or a part-time employee. So these are the high chances which will give you more job. Okay, and what you need to do, just click on this yes, I have read and accept the statement, and just click on this I am not a robot, and make sure that you have did your digital signature on this platform, and just click on this submit button. Okay, you can see this, guys, it is doing the processing part. Okay, you can see this, the processing. Now thank you for your application, we'll soon be in touch with you. Okay, so guys, they will ask you a question, one question they will ask you. So for that I just want to show you one thing, guys. Okay, whenever you come up on this online typing job, okay, make sure that you are having this accuracy part. Okay, I just want to tell you that there are some terms and policies. You can see this, guys, your accuracy should be between 98 to 99%. Okay, if your accuracy is below 98%, work will be returned and the payment will hold until the resubmission set. Okay, so for that they want a accuracy proof. Okay, so for that I have bring another website for you. You can see this typingtest.com. okay, where you can test your skills. It's absolutely free of cost, and I'll show you how you can generate your certification which will give you an accuracy rate. Okay, you just need to click on the start typing. Okay, all of this website link is in the description box, so you may check it out. Okay, so you can see this, guys, it will take some time to generate your test. Okay, if you are not good at in typing test, what you can do, I'll show you. Okay, just first wait for this test. Okay, you can see this, guys. Okay, so what you need to do, guys, you just need to type this. Okay, you just need to type it quickly. Okay, you can see this, whatever I did, you can see. Make sure that you do it with full accuracy, and you are not doing any mistakes. Okay, so guys, if you are having that much bad accuracy, okay, so don't worry, this is your accuracy. So if you want to improve your accuracy, I'm sorry, guys, I don't have a good accuracy, but I want you guys to do it by and by. Okay, don't worry, at first attempt it would be difficult for you to do that accuracy, but by and by you can get through these kind of things. And if you are having problem with typing courses, you can see this, there are some courses that is available, free of cost courses that are available on this website, which will give you good results. Okay, you can see this, guys, you can see this lesson 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you can just take a screenshot of your certificate. Okay, you can use snipping tool, or you can just take a screenshot of your of this typing speed. Okay, you can perform it on your mobile phone, because I hope your mobile phone typing speed is good as compared to your laptop, so you can show that certificate to your employer. Okay, so this is one part that you can do, guys. Okay, So this is the most important thing that you should always remember throughout while you are doing the work in a right way, in a right fashion. Okay, so this is one thing, guys. You can see this. You can also give this online tutoring job and transcription job. Okay, you can see this. There are other jobs as well. You can just need to type in this, click on this 2 button. Okay, you can see this content writing job. Okay, translation jobs. Okay, just you need to click on this translation jobs, and for translation jobs what you can do, guys, just come up here. Okay, just come up here and you just need to select Google Translate. Okay, so you can select use this Google Translator to do your translations. You can see this, guys, how much people are actually offering. The process is same, procedure is same for doing the translation, and it's absolutely free of cost, guys. Not even a single penny from your pocket is gonna spend. You just need to enter your details, that submit your form, and the rest thing is on your hands. Okay, so just follow these these are the steps that you should follow throughout your application. You can see this, guys. Just click on this. So I'm doing it quickly because, guys, I want you to earn. You just need to earn. Go and now earn. Okay, you can see this, guys, how much people are actually you just need to apply the same. Okay, whatever job it is, the procedure is same. Okay, for applying for a particular job. Okay, so they will contact you with this mail ID. Okay, then I have already shown you guys how to improve your typing speed, and for translation job what you can use is this Google Translator. I hope you like this video, guys. Just need to subscribe to this channel and hit the like button so that there is always a motivation to give you the best content, and write down on the comment section that what is your basic skill is. Okay, so that I will give you the best content based upon your skill, and will show you how you can earn money online by just doing some typing jobs, some part-time jobs, by just clicking some websites, and also you can earn a good amount of money. Okay, this is it for this video. We'll see you in the next. Happy earning.